Here we will write a Python program to accept tuple elements and single element and count how many times that single element appears in a tuple. So in comment line first we'll write. So first we'll define empty tuple. So t equal to bracket. First we'll define empty tuple. Then we'll accept number of elements to store in the tuple. So n equal to int input. Enter number of elements to accept. Then we will define another integer variable I, which is initialized with 0, and we will accept tuple element. So while I less than n, we will accept element in E. So E equal to int input enter element, and we will add this element into the tuple. So t equal to t plus e and comma, which will add element e to the tuple, and then we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will accept element that we are going to count in the tuple. So num equal to int input enter element to count. Now to count this element in the tuple, we will use count function from tuple. So count equal to t dot count num, and then we'll print the count. Then first we'll print tuple elements. We will print, and then we'll print with formatting output num present in tuple for we'll give your count times, and then we will execute this. I will enter number of element as 5, and then I will enter the elements. Then I will enter element to count as 3. It will print 3 present in tuple for 3 times. First it will print tuple elements that we have entered, and then it will print 3 present in tuple for 3 times.